Sayur Manis means sweet vegetable in Malaysia. It is rich with iron and antioxidants, and it is very delicious when stir-fried. Today, I'm cooking a simple dish, stir-fry sayur manis with egg. Normally, we consume only the leaves, even though it is sold together with the branches. First, pluck the leaves off the branches. Some leaves are very young. They are light green. We will take all of this type of leaves. Some leaves look really old, as they appear very dark green. We won't use old leaves as they are fibrous and hard to eat. Here is the trick. You can hold the bottom of the branch and pull the leaf upward so that it is easier and faster to remove it. The leftover branches can be used to boil with anchovy to make anchovy stock. It will be very sweet. Or it can be planted by poking it into the ground. It is very easy to grow. I will plant this in my garden later. So, I will continue to collect the leaves. Alright, it is done. Next, I'm going to give it a wash. This recipe is for 2 to 3 servings. Here are the sayur manis that have been washed and cleaned. I also have 2 chicken eggs, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fried garlic, and 1.5 tablespoon of garlic oil. All of the ingredients are ready. Let's cook. Switch on the heat to medium heat. Add in half of the garlic oil and leave half for later use. Wait for the oil to get hot. Use the spatula to spread the oil around the pan. When oil is hot, add in the eggs. Sprinkle all salt on the eggs. Give it a stir for about 10 seconds or until the eggs and salt are well combined. Add in half teaspoon of crispy fried garlic. Continue to stir for another 30 seconds or until the egg is cooked. Switch off the heat and remove the eggs from the pan. In the same pan, switch on the heat to high. Add in the balance of the garlic oil and about half teaspoon of crispy fried garlic. Give it a stir and spread oil and garlic around the pan. Next, put in all of the sayur manis. Stir for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the vegetables are cooked. This may look like a lot, but it will reduce to a quarter of this later. After 1.5 minutes, the vegetables are cooked. Add in all light soy sauce and crispy fried garlic. Leave a bit for garnishing. Give it a mix until seasonings and vegetables are well combined. Switch off the heat. Lastly, add in the cooked egg and mix well. Alright, a simple and delicious stir-fry sayur manis with egg is ready to be served. This is best served immediately once it's cooked. We still have a little bit of crispy fried garlic for garnishing. Let's eat! Wow, very tasty, sweet and very fragrant. The sayur manis vegetable really goes well with egg. Lovely! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!